welcome to my channel. I am Sudha, your biology teacher. This is your achievement platform to secure more marks in biology. In the previous video, we discussed about the introduction of life process. In this video, we are going to see about the nutrition and their types and their mode. We all know that how do we get energy and nutrition. So we all know that we need energy for performing activities daily. From where do we get energy? We get energy from food, what we eat. So we can say that nutrition is the process by which all living organisms take food and utilize it to energy. It's called nutrition. So we can say it clearly, all living organisms need nutrition. There are two types of nutrition. First one is autotroph, second one is heterotroph. First, let's see about the autotroph. What do you mean by autotroph? From the word itself is telling clearly, auto means self, trophy means nutrition. So we can easily define that organisms synthesize their own food is called autotroph and the mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition. As we know that green plants synthesize their own food. How they synthesize their own food? Through the process called photosynthesis. From the word is telling clearly, photo means light, synthesis means to put together. This is the photosynthesis structure. The term was first coined by Charles in the year 1883. First, the water is taken from the soil with the help of root, and after that carbon dioxide is taken by the leaf from the air with the help of sunlight. What will happen? This water and carbon dioxide mix together. The oxygen get released into the air and then starch also released. Okay, what will happen to the starch? It gets stored in the every part of the plant. This is called as photosynthesis process. What are the conditions necessary for the photosynthesis? Means first one is chlorophyll, second one is sunlight, third one is carbon dioxide, fourth one is water. Chlorophyll nothing but it's a green pigment, is called as chloroplast. Okay, inside the chloroplast, this is the structure what I am showing now. This is the inner membrane, this is the outer membrane. Inside we can see the so many spaces. This spaces, it's filled with a fluid matrix. It's called as stroma. This part we call as stroma. This stack of thylakoids one by one each other is called as grana. Okay, and then thylakoid. Inside each chloroplast there will be a stack of disc. There will be a stack of disc is called as thylakoid. Okay, what will happen to the thylakoid means, what is the main function? It will help the sunlight. The main function of the thylakoid means it helps to trap the sunlight. They contains chlorophyll. This is the chloroplast structure. And next let's see about the carbon dioxide. How the carbon dioxide entering into the leaf spores. This is a stoma with the guard cells. This is a closed stoma. This one is a open stoma. What is the two difference between in these stoma means? In closed stoma, we can see the each stoma is bounded by two of moon shaped guard cells. It will regulate the opening and closing of the cells. This is the main function of closed stoma. What about the open stoma? When there is enough light and water, what will happen to the cells? It gets swell up and repel each other. We can see the space in between. In this space only, the carbon dioxide will enter to the cells. This is the spacious thing. So, in this kind only the carbon dioxide is entering to the leaves. This is the stoma cells with guard cells. Plants are the good example of autotroph. Okay, apart from plants, there are certain bacteria, they contain chloroplast and chlorophyll to synthesize the photosynthesis. Okay, apart from the certain bacteria, they have the ability to carry out the chemosynthesis. Chemosynthesis nothing but not only the light but also capable to produce their own chemicals. Okay, so under autotroph, this photosynthetic and chemosynthetic come under this autotroph category. The second type of nutrition is heterotroph. Okay, from the word itself, it's telling clearly, hetero means other, trophy means nutrition. So, we can say that organism cannot prepare their own food. They depends upon plants or animals to prepare their food to get energy is called heterotroph, and the mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, under heterotrophic nutrition there will be a three category. One is the Holozoic, and the second one is the Saprotrophic, and the third one is the Parasitic. The process of nutrition involves 5 stages. First one is ingestion, second one is digestion, third one is absorption, fourth one is assimilation, and the fifth stage is egestion. Now let's see about the Holozoic. The Holozoic is very important thing because we the human beings falling into this category. Not only the human beings, also the animals also. First let's see about the nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is nothing but it's a single cell organism where we can see them in ponds or in the ditches. Okay, this is the amoeba structure. This is the amoeba structure, single cell organism. Okay, when the organism come in contact with the food particle, food vacuole means what will happen? This amoeba, it will throughout the projections. Okay, it will like this, it will come throughout the food particles where it will be. Some extent projections will be there. We can see it clearly like in the diagram. Okay, what will happen? This feet is called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia nothing but false feet. Okay, once it catch the food particles, what will happen? It get enter into the cell. It start digestion with the help of the digestive juices which will present inside the cell. Okay, it will present inside the cell. What will happen inside means with the help of absorption and assimilation process is going inside the cell. The waste product means the undigested food is pushed out from the cell. The undigested food is pushed outside from the cell through the process called egestion. This is the main example for amoeba of Holozoic nutrition. It is one of the single cell. Second type is Saprotrophic. Saprotrophic nothing but the plant which can live in rotting dead materials. The example for this Saprotrophic is Indian pipe. Next one is a coral root. How the plant will be means the plants are very bright in color. Where we can see means in the tropical deep forest. The fungi are the good example for this Saprotrophic nutrition. And third category is parasitic plants. The parasitic plant nothing but the plant which can obtain their nutrition from the other plants. The best example for parasitic means cascata. This is the cascata plant. For the types of nutrition going to get over. Okay, in previous video I have told according to the school timetable we have segregated the chapter in the 7 parts, right? Okay, up to from introduction of life processes and then types of nutrition and the mode of nutrition is going to get completed, and then part 3 video it is a full of nutrition in human beings. Okay, I will discuss in like elaborate in features. Okay, next thing, if you have any doubt, okay, please see in description. Okay, my mail ID will be there. Please contact me. Thank you students. Thank you.